Introducing the 113 kVA, open-type gas generator set, powered by Cummins, paired with a Leroy-Somer alternator and a deep-sea controller, designed for 2 kPa inlet gas pressure. This compact unit is clean-burning, low-emission, and runs on natural or biogas for eco-friendly, low-carbon power generation. Featuring excellent heat dissipation and intelligent control, it delivers reliable backup power for factories and supports distributed biogas energy systems. Ideal for microgrids and industrial applications wherever clean, quiet, and continuous electricity is essential.